Pirelli's Cyber tires, featured in the McLaren Artura sports car, are equipped with embedded sensors to gather information from the road and transmit it back to the car's control systems. This data helps optimize tire performance and safety. The tires provide real-world data on traction, stability control, and wear, enabling the suspension system to adjust accordingly. The Cyber tire chip, integrated into the dashboard, retrieves information through the tire pressure monitoring system and a chip in the tire carcass, offering high-resolution data. McLaren is the first automaker to adopt Pirelli's Cyber tires, giving them an advantage in safety and performance. However, Pirelli is also collaborating with other premium car manufacturers, including Lotus, on developing connected tires. Lotus aims to utilize Cyber tires to enhance safety by preventing the system from engaging track mode in adverse conditions. To accelerate tire development, Pirelli employs AI and virtual design, reducing the need for physical prototypes and shortening the production cycle significantly. They are committed to sustainability, incorporating more eco-friendly materials and targeting 72% sustainable materials usage by 2030. In conclusion, Pirelli's Cyber tires represent a revolutionary approach to tire technology, allowing cars to gather valuable data from the road and enhance safety and performance. As automakers like McLaren and Lotus embrace this innovation, the future of smart tires is set to revolutionize the driving experience and contribute to a more sustainable automotive industry.